Hello and welcome to New Hill and St Stephen's Primary School. We're just getting set up for the workshop, as you can see. Here's the jigsaw of rights. Doesn't it look fantastic? Currently I'm colouring in my name badge, and all of this parchment paper is getting ripped so that every child can have a piece.
The reason we greet them is to make them feel welcome. We want them to feel important and special because that's how we'd want to feel. Do you want a pen to write your name?
I think that will go to the top of the list.
We're explaining to the children that the only time that we would have our mobile phones out is if we were taking photographs or tweeting. Well, if adults have their phones all the time, then they're going to be constantly distracted, and we don't want that. We want the kids to feel like they are the centre of attention today, because they are. And the reason we've came here is to find out their views.
It's important because children don't get battered around and they don't get forced to do what they don't want to do, and they can do what they want to do, but with the permission to do it.
Children should not have to feel scared or threatened when around their family, and so you can enjoy your childhood to the fullest and not be under pressure to do what people think they should do. You can't live your childhood just being able to look back and say, I'm glad that's over, rather than they enjoyed it, because childhood is meant to be like that time where you can just enjoy yourself.
I feel you should be with an adult who does the best for you, so that you can feel safe at home and you aren't scared to go back to your house, and so that you can strive with your education at home and at school.
This is a dual ritual. The ritual will begin.
Right number 24. Children have the right to the best health possible and have the right medical care. It will impact on their future.
Rights are gone, kids would be hurted by other people, and that could cause depression or stuff even worse.
It is important to be able to have life skills and to talk and listen.
The job you want to give a boost to make finding their family help.
Social skills to get This is Yoni's group. You are doing Article 15. And what is Article 15? So we've got the kids currently doing task number 3, which is writing what right they chosen on the shield and writing down different ways that it can be protected and upheld, as well as ways that it could downfall. And this is really important to us because we're finding out different ways that the kids think of their rights. And why is this important to kids?
So they won't get harmed.
So that more kids won't be like on the street.
We're doing this to show what rights are important to the children around Scotland.
Got some fantastic ideas for the shields, and the kids will really enjoy it, and it's going great.
We're now going to do like a feedback session.
On this day, a girl called Mia asked to play with the girls, but they denied her request.
This is the end of day 4.
It's been a fantastic day.
39's all that counselling and support. If you need help, do a report. Call Childline for a report.
Yes.
Yeah, we learned a lot about rights and we made a rap.
Our first right is 35. No kid will be kidnapped. That's 37 is all about protection.
It's been fun. I like learning about children's rights.
It's really fun.
And I've enjoyed learning more about
I like society.
Yeah, a deeper, more deep into the rights instead of just like the teacher saying them out loud and then just telling us a little bit about it.
Yeah, they're more important than you would think, and there's a lot more rights than you think there is, and that all children need to have these rights because they're super important.
Bye.